How you don't sing? Don't hit me.
No.
Don't know. You don't hit Dad. Sing. I want to hear you sing. You're singing so pretty. That's it? You're putting everything away? Why? What do you want? Hey. How you did? No, don't touch, don't touch. Huh? No. Hi. Let me get. Smell like chips. No way, no way, no way. Oh. Hey! You son of a... Why'd you do that? Huh? Brother, why did he do that? Huh? Hey. He's shy. Oh, you're not shy, are you? High five. Oh, no. Oh, oh. No, no, no. No, nope. No, 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 no. No, no, no. I said stop that. I got evidence. I'm going to give this to Mom. I'm going to tell Mom.
No.
Then why are you doing that? Yes, son.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. Mama mean, mama mad. Yeah. Aiden, you're not even supposed to be in there. It's not a brush. No. It's a big brush. Yes, it is. That's not for that. That's for something else. Yeah, there's already one there. You're so smart.